You're watching One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use and set up Cash App. Alright, so in order to use your Cash App is simply used to send and receive money. So I'm going to be teaching you the basics of sending and receiving money and adding cash on our Cash App, because without adding cash on our Cash App you can't send it to anybody else. Alright, so in order to ask for some money from your friends, you need to enter the amount, how much you want to ask. So I'm going to ask for $69 and I'm going to click on request. Now over here I'm going to click on not now, and I'm going to enter the cash tag of my friend over here. After entering the cash tag of my friend over here, what I need to do is, if the friend name is displayed down here, you can click on it and click on where it says confirm and click on request, and $69 is going to be requested from that person over here. Alright, so right now I'm unable to request it for some reason, but that's the way to request money. Now to pay somebody money, before that just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna pay somebody $20. I'm gonna enter 20, click on pay, enter the cash tag of the person over here real quick. After entering the cash app, click on where it says pay at the top. You need to choose the person over here first. After you choose the person, click on pay at the top, and the $20 is gonna be sent to the person whoever's name is written over here. Alright, that's how you guys can send money and receive money. Now to load money on your Cash App, you need to click on this house looking icon over here. Now once you're over here, you can see add cash. Click on it and you want to choose how much amount you want to add. So I want to add $50, so I'm going to choose 50 and I'm going to click on add 50. Then it's going to ask me to enter my debit card number over here, and after adding my debit card number, basically the money is going to be taken out from my debit card and it's going to be put on my Cash App, and from there the money is going to be loaded on my Cash App, and I can use that money to send somebody or buy Bitcoin over here. You can also buy crypto and Cash App by going on this sector and buying whichever crypto you want. For a stock, you can go over here. So yeah, these are all the basics of how to use Cash App and how to set up Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.